So how to pair Redmi Watch 3 with your phone. So basically in the past Xiaomi had this app called Zap Life. However, this works only for the older devices like Mi Band 4. So if you got the Redmi Watch 3, what you need to do is to go to Google Play and download Mi Fitness, and the app looks like this. Okay, with my phone already paired. Okay, and basically once you start the app, you won't see this interface, you will see add device. So pretty much you just enable Bluetooth on your phone and location, but mostly it's just Bluetooth, and then you can just start your watch. You power it on. From this button you will see a QR code, but that won't help you with anything. You click from the phone to add device, it will start to scan for the watch, and after about 20 seconds it will detect the watch. You need to click on it on the watch, you will see on the screen. Then on the watch you will see a message asking you if you want to pair it with the phone. You click yes. Then from the phone you click also confirm that you want to pair the watch with the phone, and that's pretty much it. You will start seeing this interface with stats, workout steps, and pretty much everything. You'll be able to set up the watch as you want. Alright, so this is how you can pair the Redmi Watch 3 with your phone. You will also see Mi Fitness connected. So pretty much if you want to have the watch synced with your phone, you need to have Bluetooth active, and it will auto connect the watch. So pretty much the number of steps, the workout and other stats will be synced pretty much all the time with your Mi Fitness app from the phone. Alright, so if you found the video useful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.